So over here, you can see that I got these texts right here. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and bold out some of the text. Let's say, for example, this one, let's just go ahead and bold this out and change the color of this as well. And even change out, let's say, for example, the font of it right here to make it, let's say, for example, special right here. Or I may not need to go ahead and bold this out right here. So let's say I want this exact style in the other font. So instead of going around and doing each one manually, you can actually use a format painter. So as you go ahead and then click on this particular text, you can go to format painter right here and click somewhere else right here. So let's say, for example, I can select this, click on format painter, and then let's say, for example, select that out, and then you can see that the format painter actually does its job right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then you can actually go around over here and select this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this, click on format painter, select this, and then you can see that the same thing gets copied over. You can click on format painter again right here and simply, let's say, for example, select this out, and same style will be copied out. And that is how you can go ahead and use the format painter as you like to go ahead and copy out the exact format easily inside of Terabox Word Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.